Jules has not been used for a while, so I thought, we need to do something with her, so I don't want her to feel lonely. Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Hope you ladies and gents are having a fabulous week. So today is a review product sponsored by a lovely company called GRABIE. Clara and the team at GRABIE just reached out to me, sent me a really lovely email, just said that they will happily sponsored one of my videos, and they were doing some product reviews together. So it's a lovely website, and I will put all the links down below. And also the team has kindly gifted all of you viewers of my channel with a 15% off coupon code to use across the website. GRABIE, I didn't know, to be fair, I didn't know the brand. It's a website that sells all arts and craft supplies. They've got a huge selection of papers, watercolors, stickers, scrapbooking papers, also. So it's a really good website. So again, you get 15% off using my coupon code. So all the link are down below. So I picked some stickers because I'm not really a big stickers fan. In fact, as you can see, guys, I never have done any projects using stickers, because it's not something that I like. I more like enjoy using it. I don't know why. I've never been a fan of stickers, so let's challenge myself and do something a bit different today. So that is the stickers. That's the pack of stickers, and because on video you see this plastic, and every time you open a plastic packaging on my camera, well, on YouTube, you get this rustling sound. So this is a wonderful huge set of stickers. It's called Dry Flowers, and again, you will see the link down below if you wish to purchase these flowers. Massive. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a big bundle of 8 packages, and each packages you got the stickers. So that is the outside packaging, so just a plastic bag with the shop logo. But what I was pleasantly surprised, that these stickers came in this huge box, really thick. You could just tell they're wrapped in these wrapping bubble wrap paper, and there is like a marketing card just to, there is a 12% code. Colouring to win, colour this card and put on Instagrams for a chance to win £50 to spend in their shop, which is quite a cute marketing touch. It's a really thick card, so I might use that for something else. So I was really happily surprised how the packaging came. It's a very robust box. So, but what am I going to do, guys? Because if I open this one by one, you won't be able to see anything because you've got the reflection of the light. So I'm going to open all the packaging. I'm going to put a white background, and we'll see the stickers all together, and then I'll show you what I'm going to make with them. Okay, get them all out of the plastic bags. Now, the first initial feedback is I've now got all this plastic. So just a little feedback for the brand. Instead of having 8 plastic bags, they can put all this into a paper bag, because it's all going to be shipped. So we need to try to cut down all this plastic. So yeah, so this is something maybe that team can improve. But OMG, oh my god, this bundle is amazing. Now this paper here is an A4, so it's 8 1/4 by 11 3/4. So these flowers are huge. Look, it's almost, yeah, in fact, if you put it this way, they are all 8. Yeah, think about that's 8 1/4. So these are huge. Okay, so if I put it like that, you can see them. They're so realistic. They're very well made. It's like I got into the garden, I put some branches, I put it on the desk. The print is so realistic. Okay, so just going to quickly show them to you guys. I'm it's amazing quality. So the print is very realistic. Yeah, Very, very happy. I mean, look at that. They're absolutely huge. Huge, huge, huge. We got some leaves. I mean, you know, I'm not a green tab whatsoever. That's Jamie's job to look after the garden. I do enough as it is. So yeah, I don't really know the name, but I'm sure you ladies and gents know the name of these flowers and things. I mean, this is probably my favorite. Look at these roses. They look like dry. That's a dry rose. So romantic, very shabby, but quite yeah. If you like botanical projects, these stickers are right for you. Huge. I can't just get over how big these are, and they look so real. That's the green one here. Very good quality of prints. And then we have these. Look how big they are. I love them. I mean, on the packaging it says big. Oops, this has been twisted. It's me. It was me because I had something pressed on it. So this is my fault. Look at that. So nice. So nice. I got a few more. It's a really big bundle. I mean, look at this color here. Look at that. Huge, absolutely huge. Sorry, I don't keep saying huge. Did you get the message? They're big. They are big. Then the last one. Oops, I'm trying to move them. Look at that. Love them, love them, love them. Look at these roses. Can't get over it, how big they are. And then last is, I think they're called ferns. Please help me. I'm sure they're ferns. They might not be, but absolutely big. Okay, what am I going to do, guys, with these? Going to make some envelopes using book pages, using some of my ephemera, but I'm not going to do a how to, because you know how to make envelopes. There's plenty of tutorial. I'm going to use my envelope punch board, but I'm going to show you the result. Okay guys, let me show you what I made. So starting point, I have used different papers so you can see the different finish and the different texture and the different look that these stickers can create. So first of all, simply music paper or notes paper, music notes, whatever you call it. So I just made this super cute envelope. As you can see, this paper is slightly aged because it's a very old book. So just put some of the sticker. And the good things about the stickers are they're totally transparent. So if you think about, I don't know, the antiquarian sticker book, that book, all the stickers, it's got that edge that is not transparent, so they have like a pink edge or very colorful edge. Those ones are totally transparent, so you can barely see. And I mean, I got two big strong lights, white light shining into it, so you can barely see the edge of the sticker. I can't really see it on flash. So very good. I'm really happy. And also the print is fabulous, and also the print is transparent because you can still see through these leaves. Can you see? So that is one, and that is the front. And another thing is, because they are transparent, you can layer them up, so you can barely see when these two stickers go on top of one another. So that's one envelope. Then of course, forgot to mention, I have used Gilda. Gilda's not been used for a while, so I thought we need to do something with her, so I don't want her to feel lonely. In case you're new to my channel, hello, I'm Antonio and I'm addicted to this wax. It's Pebeo, the collection is called Gideo, and the color is Gold Renaissance, and it's almost finished, but I've got another pot. So yeah, then second envelope, I have used one of my ephemera pages. This is white. Okay, so the background is white, of course. Is some ephemera, so it was like a receipt, but can you see that's black and white, and that's more like a yellow beigey. Okay, so this is the look that you get with a black and white image on the background, and again you can still see through the petals. Okay, and I distress all the edges with the wax, with the gold wax. Super cute envelope. And the good thing about this, guys, you can make your envelope, your cards, anything that you want to cover in advance, and then you just position the stickers where you want them to. I also done a paper bag. So this is again from one of my ephemera pack. It's one of the pages with the a document. Okay, so again, I glued up very, very simple. I just glued the top and then the bottom, and then I picked the colors that kind of match, because these leaves here match very well the color with these dried rose, so it all blends very well together. So that's the front and that is the back. So again, you can use two stickers like I've done, or you can just put a master, what I call it, like a master image, just to cover it all. So you can do both. Another thing I wanted to show you, you can use the stickers to cover albums or anything. And this is my postcard albums. I might do another sticker in here actually, or on the back, but just to show you guys that you can cover different materials. So this is more like a faux leather. And look at the stickers, and I think it goes really well with the gold again, because it's got this gold frame. So yeah, that's really pretty. And then the last thing I want to show you is how the stickers perform on printed cardstock. So this is a paper pad from the works. It is something, I don't really tend to use a lot of dots. So this page was dotting around, so I thought, right, let's use it today and just do something different. So again, I created an envelope, and that is the front. And again, you could probably see better now. So let me show you from the distance first. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 different images. Okay, because again the stickers are transparent, look, you can layer them. Can you see? And you still see through all the details of the stickers. Okay, and that is the back. You okay? But yeah, I dropped some water on the floor. It's just my water bottle. And then, sorry, that was Jamie. Then that is the back. Yeah, because as I was coming upstairs, I was holding, so I had a water bottle in my hand. I had the stickers with the box in my hand, and then in here I had what did I have? I had something in there, I can't remember now. Anyway, so I was struggling because I was concentrating. The water bottle completely dropped, so the cap is wet, so it got a bit worried, but it's just water, it will dry. Sorry about that. What was I saying now? Lost my thread of thoughts. Oh, so that's the back. And again, I have used several stickers all together. What do you think? Again, I really like how, and they all blend with one another because it's like a big bundle. Right, guys, I'm going to go because I don't want to make this video unnecessarily long. But this is this is some ideas that you can create. And I'm sorry you see this white light, but I don't think I can do anything to avoid that to show, but no, I can't. Yeah, I just want to say a massive thank you to GRABIE for reaching out and for kindly sponsored this video. I will put my the link with my discount code down the bottom if you wish to purchase these products. What is the kind of my review? Well, if they can work on the plastic packaging, yeah, that is a bonus tick, but the quality of the sticker is amazing, and I do like the fact they are transparent, so you can layer them up and you can still see the background, either if it's something plain or if it's geometric or printed background. So yes, I will highly recommend them. They're not the cheapest on the market, but I think you pay what you get for. So yes, I would kindly really recommend them. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and until next time, stay safe and well.